Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be telling you the key of set A. Okay, so the first is mathematics. So the first question is, which of the following is an irrational number? The answer is pi. So option 4 is the correct answer. For second question, if A, B, C are real numbers, then associative property is option 2. Which of the following rational numbers are terminating? So the option 2 is the correct answer. If P and Q are co-primes, then HCF is option 4. It is 1. The smallest number which leaves remainder 8 and 12 when divided by 28 and 32 respectively is 204. Next. Which of the following statements is true? So given 3 statements, all are correct. So fourth option is correct. If the characteristic of a logarithm of a number is n, the number of digits is n plus 1. So option 3 is the correct answer. So here next question is 8th question. A and B are two sets given and we are asked to find of A minus B. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, which is option 3 is the answer. If next question 9th one. So two sets were given in set builder form, then they are asked to find n of A intersection B. So number of elements in A intersection B is 1. Next 10th one. If A and B, A intersection B is equal to 5. So that means they have no common elements. That means A and B are disjoint sets, which is option 2. So option 1 is the correct answer. 11th one. Which of the following is factor of this given polynomial? Answer is x minus 3 is the correct answer, which is option 2. 12th one. If alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial is given, then value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So the answer is minus 1, which is option 2. 13th one. If polynomial of degree 7 is divided by polynomial of degree 4, then the degree of quotient is 3. 14th one. Number of solutions for these two pair of equations. Two equations were given and number of solutions for this will be infinitely many solutions. 15th one. 5 years ago Ramu was 3 times as old as Ramu. Some question is given, so the answer is 50, 20, which is option 4. 16th one. So two pair of equations are given, linear equations, and they will intersect at a point 2, 1, which is option 2. 17th one. For what value of k does this quadrate 9x square plus some values given will have equal roots? So the answer is plus or minus 4, which is option 3. Next question. A takes 6 days less than time taken by 8 to finish the piece of work. So for this the question is 12 days. Answer is 12 days, which is option 1. 19th one. So product of two consecutive numbers is 306. Then quadratic representation of this condition is option 1, x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. Next 20. If x is equal to 1 is common root for this two quadratic equations, then the value of a into b is 2. Okay, option 2. Next 21. So the missing term. So missing term in this series is 18. Option 1. 22nd one. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on n terms by 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus so on 8 terms equal to 9. So the value of n is 30. Okay. 23. The fifth term of AP is so GP. It is given 343 and first term is 32. Then what is the value of fifth term of this GP? So it will be 162, option 1. The arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two numbers are 75 and some number is given respectively, and the numbers are so 3, 147, which is option 4. 25. 2 points were given. 3 points were given, x, 9, 0, 1 and minus 6, minus 7 are collinear. Then the value of x is, so the value of x is 6. 26. The area of triangle with vertices 3 points were given and the area is 0. That means these 3 points are collinear So the area will be equal to 0. Next, 27. The slope of line perpendicular to 13x minus 7y minus 1 is, so it will be minus 7 by 13, option 4. Next, 28. The midpoint of the line joining these 2 points is 2, 1, which is option 4. 29. The ratio in which x-axis divides the line joining the points 4, 6 and 3, minus 6. So the answer is 3:4, option 3. The point on the x-axis which is equidistant from these 2 points is minus 7, 0, which is option 1. So for this given figure, the value of ry is 2.7 centimeters, which is option 1. Next is 32. If the ratio of corresponding sides of any two triangles is 2:3, then ratio of their corresponding altitudes is also 2:3, which is option 3. 33. In the given figure, if AB is equal to C and AC is equal to B, then also given AD is perpendicular to BC, then value of AD is equal to BC by root over B square plus C square. 34. Circumference of circle is 22 centimeters. Then area of quadrant of the circle is 9.625 square centimeter, which is option 2. 35. 4 circles were given and we are asked to find out the shaded part. So the answer will be 42 square centimeter. Next, 36. The length of tangent of 0.15 centimeters something was given. So the answer is 12 centimeters, which is option 1. 37. So two circles are touching internally. Okay, so one circle is inside the other circle and the number of common tangents is 1. Option 1 is the answer. 38. If the radius of sphere is tripled, then the volume will become 27 times. 39. A patient in a hospital is given soup daily. So the answer for this is 15.4, option 3. Next, the total surface area of cone is given. We are asked to find out total surface area of cone whose slant height is 21 and diameter is given. So the answer is 396 pi, which is option 3. Next, 41. The value of sin cos 90 minus theta into sin 90 minus theta, it will be option 2, tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 42. So the value of this whole value, cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree into so on cos 1, the answer is 0, which is option 2. So the value of tan 65 by cot 25, the answer is 1. 44. 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees, the value is tan 60 degrees. 45. If tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 and sin a is equal to 1 by root 2, the value of b is 15 degrees. 46. So if x is equal to a secant theta, y is equal to b tan theta, then the value of b square x square minus a square y square equal to a square b square, which is option 4. 47. Sin theta by 1 plus cos theta is also nothing but option 3, 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Next, 48. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above for this question, the answer is 40 root 3 meters, which is option 1. What is the angle of elevation of sun? The answer is 60 degrees. The angle of elevation of top of tower standing on a horizontal plane. So for this value, the answer is d by cot alpha minus cot beta. 51. Two friends are born in the year 2000. Then probability is 1 by 365. Sorry, 366. So the answer is 1 by 366. Option 4 is the correct answer. 52. In a simultaneous trail of two events, the probability of getting at least one head. So answer is 1 by 2, which is option 3. If a die is thrown once, the probability of getting a prime number is again 1 by 2, which is option 4. And 54. E and E bar are two events and P of E is given 0.05, then P of E bar is 0.95, which is option 4. So in a graphical representation of frequency distribution, the answer will be 3, which is option 2. Next is 56. Mean of 100 observations is 49. So by some error 60 was taken as 40 and 70 was taken as 20 and 80 is taken as 60. Something was given. So the correct mean is 50. Option 4 is the answer. Next, a car manufacturing company, data was given, so the answer will be mode, which is option 3. Next, 58. So the median of 10 observations were given, and we are asked to find out the value of x. So the answer will be 34. 39. The mean of first n natural numbers is 15. The value of n is 29. Option 4 is the correct answer. The difference between maximum and minimum observations in the data is range, which is option 4. So this is the key regarding maths. I am going to tell you the key regarding physics. So 61, which of the following will be the units of temperature? Option 3 is the correct answer, degree Celsius, Kelvin. 62, humidity means the amount of water vapor present in atmospheric air. Option 2. 63, 40 grams of water at 60 degrees Celsius and is added to 60 grams of water at 30 degrees Celsius. So the final temperature would be 42 degrees Celsius, which is less than 50 degrees Celsius. Option 1 is the correct answer. 64. Ghee is converted from liquid state to solid state. So the answer is freezing is the correct answer. Option 3. Next, 65. Total internal reflection in diamond makes it shine because the critical angle is very low. Option 2 is the correct answer. 66. So rectangular tank of depth 4 meters is full of water with refractive index 4/3. Then apparent depth will be 3 meters. Option 1 is the correct answer. 67. So the internal organs can be checked out by using optical fibers. Option 4 is the correct answer. 68. A bird is flying vertically downwards, so it actually appears farther than the actual distance, which is option 1 is the correct answer. Next, 69. The angle between parallaxial rays and principal axis will be 0 degrees. Next, 70. A concave lens has focal length of 10 centimeters. If u is the object distance, then image distance will be 10u by u minus 10. Next, a double concave lens. So it is given, so the answer will be minus 36 centimeters. Next, 72. For a person with myopia defect, the maximum focal length of eye lens is less than 2.5 centimeters. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next, the sensation of vision will be carried from eye to brain by optical nerves. Option 3 is the correct answer. Pick up the correct answer from the following. So two statements are given in which the first statement is only correct and second statement is not correct. So only A is true, which is option 1 is correct. 75. In a glass prism, green light is dispersed lesser than red light. Okay, 75 is the correct answer. 75, first option is the correct answer. 76. A person cannot see the objects which are beyond 40 centimeters. Then the power of this lens would be minus 2.5 diopter. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next, 77, the answer will be 1100 ohms. 78, volt is the SI unit of, actually it is the unit of potential difference, but there is no unit given, so answer is 4, none of these. Next, 79, 4 resistors each of 1.5 ohms are arranged in, so the answer would be 1.5 ohms. Next, the material with resistivity 10 into 10 power 10 at 20 degrees Celsius is glass. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next, 81. So 81, when length and area are doubled and the resistance will remain same. 82, the work done by electric force in a moving unit charge from one point to other point in a circuit is potential difference. 82, so two incoming currents were given and 3 outgoing currents were given, 1 ampere, 6 amperes and 2 milliamperes. The answer of X would be 2.5 milliamperes. 84. The magnetic force acting on a charge, moving charge. So the answer would be 3. Charge, speed and magnetic flux density. Next is 85. Lenz law gives the direction of induced current or induced EMF. So option 3 is the correct answer. Next, 86. So the answer will be dynamo. Option 4 is the correct answer. An auto driver will pull a rope and it will provide electricity. This dynamo will help him. Next, 87. The material used for core of electromagnet is soft iron. Option 3 is the correct answer. 88. 0.5 meters is the answer. 89. The magnetic field lines of horseshoe magnet. So it will be a loops of irregular shape. 90. A bar magnet is moved towards the coil. In first case it is slowly and second case quickly. The induced EMF is larger in case B. So option 3 is the correct answer. Next. So this is the key regarding physics. Now I am going to tell you the chemistry key. So the volume occupied by 10 grams. So the answer is 112 liters. Option 1 is correct answer. 82. So the reaction is given. So the answer will be double displacement reaction. 93. So the question is, the answer is metal oxide. Option 2 is the answer. A thin layer X is used for galvanizing. So answer will be zinc, which is option 3. 98. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Option 4 is the correct answer. The color of methyl orange in the alkaline. So this will be yellow. Option 2 is the correct answer. 97. Which one of the following types of medicine is used for treating indigestion? So answer will be antacid. The number of water molecules present in one formula unit of gypsum is 2. So option 1 is correct answer. Next. The names of subshells for M shell, that means N equal to 3, are 3s, 3p, 3d. 100. As per Moeller chart, the correct ascending order of the energy levels: 3s less than 3p, less than 4s, less than 4d. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next, 101. So for L shell, the maximum number of electrons is 8. That means 2n square is the formula. Next is 102. If same atomic weights, so according to Doppler, the atomic weight would be 23. Option 4 is the correct answer. 103. Option 2 is the correct answer. 104. The number of elements present in fourth period. So it will be 18. The non-metal present in 4a carbon family is carbon. Option 1 is correct answer. Next, 106. The element with highest electron affinity is chlorine. 107. The answer is +2. 108. The covalent bonds present in nitrogen molecule. So 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bonds will be present. Next, 109. The type of hybrid orbitals present in BeCl2. So the answer is sp. 110. The shape of methane molecule is tetrahedral. Option 3 is the correct answer. So which of the following molecules have highest bond length? So the answer will be 4. Hi bond will be the highest bond length from the given options. Next, 112. So the answer is option 3. 113. So the answer is Froth flotation. 114. Option 2 is the correct answer. Dicyanoargentate 1 ion. Next, 115. Graphite is good conductor of electricity because of it has delocalized pi electron system. 116. Number of molecules present in the molecular formula of cyclopentane. So the answer is C5H10. Option 1 is the correct answer. 117. The IUPAC name of this given compound is but1-ene. Option 2 is the correct answer. 118. C2H5OH on oxidation, so it will give ethanol and ethanoic acid. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next, 119. Which one of the following will show isomerism? Option 4 is the correct answer. C4H10. 120. CH3COH is an organic weak acid. So option 2 is the correct answer. So this is the key of set A, Polyset 2020. Okay. Thank you.